Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BSTG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around some annotations that I put on the chart from a few days ago. So these red and green lines are from analysis that I did from a few days ago. So the question, though, that I was referring to revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I mean, the price made a nice upwards price movement here, but that leads to the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Whoa. Let's try that again. Is there any sort of true power here? Is there any sort of genuine strength? There we go. Now I can go draw a question mark. I don't know. But the good news is, like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And the easiest way to do that is just to answer a key question. But before we get to that question, let's just update the chart. And this update comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that watched the video from a few days ago, hopefully you remember me talking about 33 cents as resistance, but now that the price is above it, it would be support. And the easy way to answer this question, assuming we can all agree on the logic, is the logic goes like this. Price movements with true power are going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 33 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's literally putting the price back inside of this channel that the price just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price just kind of keeps on doing what it's been doing, where it bounces around here a little bit before heading back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. Picture each of these as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So kind of the moral of the story here is you don't want to see the price falling back inside of the channel because, again, going back, that's not what truly strong moves. Truly strong moves that are breaking out will continue to break out and make progress in the upwards direction. What about areas of resistance? At this point in time, if the party is going to continue, it seems to be all about that 36 cent mark. So 36 cents, key level of resistance. But in my opinion, at least, key thing right now is not breaking levels of resistance. It's more so going through healthy consolidation and working on building higher bases. So we'll see if the bulls can do it or not. But no doubt about it, nice day today. We'll see if this breakout can get some continuation tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.